JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning. As you can see, it's 3:40. We just finished up this 2 o'clock job. I want to talk specifically to firefighters. A lot of firefighters start landscaping businesses, which I'm not sure what the profit is in landscaping, but I do know that carpet cleaning is very profitable. So if you're considering or looking for other work, I highly recommend you look into carpet cleaning, specifically VLM, which is considered very low moisture process. Does not involve a truck mount. It's much more effective and healthy way to clean than a traditional form. Plus, we teach you how to go after the fun, easy, profitable jobs. This job here took about an hour and a half. It was a $400 job. It used about 3 gallons of solution, so your cost is not very high. Material-wise, your equipment is very sturdy, lasts a long time. But more importantly, it allows you to set your own schedule if you have your own business, which is, kind of the most important things. And that's one of the great things about being a firefighter is you have a lot of downtime. So if you do need or are wanting a side business, highly, highly recommend that you look at carpet cleaning, because like I said, the profit is there. We do put people in the carpet cleaning business. We have a special offer for for firefighters. If you go to omgcarpetcleaning.com/firefighters, you'll see that special offer there, because we do put people in the carpet cleaning business. We're happy to be a consultant to help you guys out with a better option for a business than just a landscaping business, which we consider to be, a lot of people have heard the term seasonal, which means there's certain parts of the year that you can't work in. Well, a lot of times in landscaping, we consider that weatherable is a word we came up with, because it depends on the weather. If you got landscape work set up and it's raining or bad weather, then you're not, you can't cut grass in the rain. Well, with carpet cleaning, if it's hot, you're in the air condition. If it's cold, you're in the heat, because, carpet is inside. So it's a great business. We highly recommend looking into it at the very least, just so you have some education to make a decision on what might be best for you and your family, longevity wise. It's also a great business. You can teach other firefighters. You can hire other firefighters. You run the business and have them do all the work. So those are all things we can teach you how to do. So if that's something you're interested in, give us a call. Again, my name is JR. The number here is 404-500-9853. We do use a non-soapy cleaner that's a citrus-based product, so there is no residue left behind like you'll find with most traditional, soak and suds type cleaners. We're also on the web, obviously, at omgfloorcare.com. Reach out. We're here to answer any questions you may have. And like I said, we do have a special offer for firefighters. And again, we do appreciate what you do. For everyone else, thank you for watching. Take care. And as always, please be kind.